Ito pwede plus.
Today is your special day. No, belated pala. Kahapon pala. Today is your birthday. A very special day. You must be happy. And more than yesterday. Forgive and the sorrows. It's time to rejoice today. Can you hear my voices from your mama in the bed?
Ano kanta yan? Kinumpos mo?
Kinumpos ko na lang. Happy birthday.
Ano ba yan? Tika?
Pray and wish your birthday.
I don't like that.
Blow the candle.
Sige na.
Slice your cake and blow the candle.
All I want is salad.
Wine. Tsaka fries.
Good for 3 person. Persons
Ang mga person.
kakain. Saan ka upo?
Kaya mo.
Salad na yung spoon.
Si Aisha very passionate. Ano, parang na ano ka? Ubusin mo yan, ha?
Ay, grab. Bahala ko dyan, ate.